Hello guys, today I will show you how to quickly make very soft and fluffy donut-like flatbreads. The base of the dough will be kefir, so start by pouring 10 fluid ounces of kefir into a bowl, 300 milliliters. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and half of 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix everything well with a whisk. I am very interested in what cities my viewers are from. Please take a few seconds and write your city under the video. Friends, I ask you to give this video a thumbs up. This will be the best reward for me. Gradually add flour and knead the dough. A total of 3 cups of all-purpose flour is needed. This is 480 grams or 17 ounces. If you have questions about this recipe, ask them in the comments and I will answer as soon as I see them. It will take about 5 minutes to knead the dough well with your hands. Cover the dough and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Friends, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so before. Divide the dough into 6 equal parts and roll them into balls. Keep the dough covered so it doesn't dry out. Take one ball and roll it out to about 8 inches in diameter. Heat 1 cup frying oil until boiling. Dip the raw flatbread into the boiling oil and start making circular movements with the spoon, as I do. When it is inflated like a balloon, flip it over to the other side. Wait until it is golden brown on both sides, then it is cooked. Repeat the same steps with the remaining dough. I'll just demonstrate the process again to make sure you catch all the details. The average cooking time for one flatbread is approximately 2 minutes. I love this fun process, especially when the dough is puffed up. These flatbreads can be eaten with any filling, both sweet and savory. These flatbreads can be eaten with any filling, both sweet and savory. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.